This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your clips are true HDR or high bit depth log footage. This preserves highlight detail. Once done, open Kinemaster and create a project that matches your source resolution and frame rate so color grading maps correctly. Import the original HEVC or high bitrate MP4 files from device storage. Do not use already compressed exports. Make sure you have at least 1/2 of device storage, free to avoid encoding slowdowns, and enable hardware acceleration in settings if available. Next, you enable Kinemaster's color controls and choose a wide color space or manual corrections. This lets you preserve HDR range. Start with one representative clip. Reduce extreme highlights, raise shadows slightly, and adjust mid-tone contrast so details stay visible. Then import or apply a calibrated LUT if you have one. LUTs speed consistent HDR look across clips. Once the first clip looks right, copy those adjustments to other clips and fine-tune each to maintain consistent exposure and color balance. Finally, export using HEVC/H. 265 with the highest practical bitrate and enable HDR metadata or wide color export if Kinemaster offers it. This preserves the dynamic range. Test the file on an HDR-capable screen to verify highlights and saturation. If the video looks washed or clipped, reduce overall exposure slightly and reintroduce a subtle highlight roll-off, then re-export. If colors shift, confirm Playback app supports HDR and match the project color space. These steps solve most final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.